This is a 30 days of Lumin skin shower set video. So in my first Lumin video, I went over all of the products after unboxing it and then gave my initial reaction. And in my second Lumin video, I used all of the skincare products for 60 days and then gave my honest feedback. And in this video, I'm gonna talk about the shower set after using it for 30 days. And I hope you're excited, because I am. You know, these videos take a lot of work to make, because initially I need to get the products and then try them out for a certain time period. And then obviously script the videos out to make sure I can help and educate you guys in the best way possible to make the best purchasing choice. And I actually saw that over 95% of you that currently watch these videos aren't even subscribed yet. So if you really want to support the channel and help me reach 10k subscribers, please consider to hit the subscribe button and help your brother out. Because I already have tons of men's lifestyle content on this channel. But if you consider to subscribe, this way I can actually upload more frequently and at the same time make my content even better. Anyways, I know you're gonna enjoy this video, so keep watching. So the products that I'm gonna cover in this video is the Keratin Recovery Shampoo, the Keratin Strengthening Conditioner, Advanced Repair Scalp Treatment, and the Clarifying Body Wash. So the modern bathroom set retails for around $59. But if you hit the first link down below, you can get your modern bathroom set for absolutely nothing. All you have to do is cover shipping and handling. And moreover, since you guys absolutely loved all of these Lumin skin videos, I went and reached out to them to provide you guys a discount code for the holiday season. So they've given me the best discount code out there. So if you use the discount code Meninfluencer25 at checkout, you get 25% off everything. And this is the best discount code out there that you can pretty much find anywhere on the web. Anyways, now I want to talk about how to use the Lumin shower set. So the first product I want to talk about is the Keratin Recovery Shampoo. So the directions of this product is quite straightforward. So as you can see on the screen right now, all you have to do is lather a quarter size amount of product into your hand. And once you've done that, put the shampoo into wet hair and massage your scalp with the leather. Just take your time and make sure it actually thoroughly goes into your hair. And once you've done that, thoroughly rinse out all of the shampoo until no foam remains. The recovery shampoo is actually meant to get rid of all of that dirt and oil buildup into your hair. So once you've actually used it, you'll feel that your hair is so much more cleaner. And then you move on to the next product, the Keratin Strengthening Conditioner. The directions of this product are that after you shampoo, apply a quarter size amount of conditioner into your hand and then into your wet hair. And the main thing you need to focus on while using this conditioner is to actually apply it on the ends of the hair. Because if you use the conditioner on the ends of your hair, this will allow your hair to actually become a bit more stronger and prevent weakened follicles. And obviously, once you've actually applied the product, leave it in for 1 to 3 minutes for optimal results. And the reason for this is that it takes a little bit of time for your hair to absorb the conditioner to actually make your hair a bit more stronger. So after the 1 to 3 minutes are over, thoroughly rinse out the conditioner from the hair until no product remains. And this is how my hair looks like after using the shampoo. So the next product I want to talk about is the Advanced Repair Scalp Treatment. So this is actually an optional choice, because if you use the Keratin Strengthening Conditioner and you're someone that actually wants to take it to the next level, you want to take care of your scalp, want to make sure your hair is actually quite nicely conditioned, this is probably an optional choice that you may want to consider. Although when it comes to the Advanced Repair Scalp Treatment, you shouldn't use it every single day. It is recommended to actually use it once or twice a week for optimum results. And I'll talk a bit more about the difference between these two products later in the video. Anyways, so how do you use this product? Well, the directions are, after shampooing, apply a quarter sized amount of treatment to wet hair while massaging the scalp. And compared to the strengthening conditioner, you leave this product in for 3 to 6 minutes for optimal results, while the strengthening conditioner was 1 to 3 minutes. And obviously, after you leave it in, you wait a while, and then you thoroughly rinse out the treatment from the hair until no product remains. And it's quite normal to feel the cooling effect, and you use it once or twice a week to protect and repair the scalp. And therefore, skip the conditioner on days when scalp treatment is used. And to be quite honest, all of these products in my opinion so far have had a cooling effect, although the Advanced Repair Scalp Treatment actually takes it to the next level. And now I want to talk about the last product. The last product is the Clarifying Body Wash. And the directions of this product are that you apply the body wash into wet skin to lather the gel onto the body. Obviously, make sure you take some time to be sure that you actually have used it properly throughout your body, because this way the gel will get onto your body for optimum results. And once you've used the product, thoroughly rinse off the body wash with water. Best results, use it every single day, because actually it has been recommended to use it after working out, because this way after you sweat, you can get rid of all of that oil and dirt buildup to actually protect your body skin. Alright, so now I want to talk about the descriptions of all of these products, how it can actually help you, and what the key ingredients are. So let me start off with the Keratin Recovery Shampoo. Give your hair a fighting chance. So they say it's normal on average to lose 50 to 100 strands of hair every single day. And to be honest, that sounds quite a lot. But for those individuals who might be losing more than that, it's always a good idea to actually use some preventative measures. So the Keratin Recovery Shampoo with green tea boosts hair growth and strengthens follicles with a formulation that nourishes the scalp and gives every lost strand a solid foundation. So the Keratin Recovery Shampoo claims that it's actually gentle to the scalp, has a cooling effect, helps with damage and dryness, and dehydration. So while I was actually using this product over the 30 days, I actually definitely noticed that it does have a cooling effect, and my hair isn't particularly as dehydrated as using other shampoos out there in the market. Because the thing with shampoos is it gets rid of all of the oil and dirt boiled up. But at the same time, it can also get rid of the fundamental oil buildup, which is actually very important for your hair to protect it. And when it comes to the damage and dryness, I particularly didn't have a lot of damage or dryness, so therefore I can't really comment on it. But when it comes to it being gentle to scalp, I haven't had any irritations. So the key ingredients of the recovery shampoo are tea tree leaf oil, which actually facilitates hair growth by preventing oil buildup on the scalp and improves scalp health due to antifungal properties. So just like I mentioned before, having unnecessary oil buildup on your scalp can actually irritate it. And therefore, by having a tea tree leaf oil, it actually improves the health due to the antifungal properties, gets rid of all of that oil buildup on the scalp, but since it still has some kind of leaf oil in it, it can protect your hair. And the next ingredient is the ceramide. It's a natural component of hair. It helps to strengthen hair follicles and encourages healthy appearance. And while using this product, I did notice that my hair did actually get more of a healthy appearance. While when it comes to the strengthening hair follicles, I don't particularly think it was due to this product, but I will talk a bit more about which product actually did help me out. And then the last key ingredient is the peppermint oil, and this boosts circulation to the scalp to improve hair health and encourages hair growth. And I want to talk about the next product, the Keratin Strengthening Conditioner. Fortify, Amplify, Simplify. So hair repair has a nice ring to it, right? So the lightweight Keratin Strengthening Conditioner with jojoba oil not only repairs damaged ends and boosts the health of your hair, it fortifies weakened follicles to reduce the appearance of any thinning. So you don't have to shave your head just yet, you're still in the game. So the Keratin Strengthening Conditioner claims that it helps with damage and dryness, dehydration, follicle repair, and scalp health. So the fundamental function of a conditioner is to actually use it after using a shampoo. So the shampoo gets rid of all of that dirt and oil buildup, while the conditioner will actually make it more moist and make sure your hair doesn't actually get too dry. So when it comes to the strengthening conditioner, obviously hands down it helps with dehydration. After using a shampoo, use a conditioner to make sure your hair doesn't get dehydrated. And therefore, since your hair doesn't get dehydrated, it will prevent your hair from dryness and at the same time potential damage. And when it comes to the follicle repair, I didn't see substantial amazing result because to be quite honest, I already have quite thick hair and therefore you can't really make it so much more thicker. But I did actually notice that my hair was a bit more rejuvenated, especially when it comes to the section closer to my scalp. And when it comes to the scalp health, if you're someone that actually has some kind of dry scalp, this product will obviously help you out. So the key ingredients of the strengthening conditioner is jojoba oil, which mimics the skin's natural oil to improve hair health without disrupting the scalp's pH. So obviously everyone has their own natural oils when it comes to their hair, but jojoba oil actually mimics and therefore blends in with your natural oil to obviously disrupt the scalp's pH. And therefore the jojoba oil will actually make your hair a bit more rejuvenated to improve your hair health. And the next key ingredient I want to talk about is the green tea extract. So this reduces skin inflammation and soothes skin due to the presence of polyphenols. So if you're someone that actually uses some kind of hair products, but obviously at the end of the day, when you're actually washing it out, you feel like your scalp is getting some kind of irritation. Well, if you actually use this product with the tea green extract, it reduces the skin inflammation. And then the last key ingredient for the strengthening conditioner is the keratin. It's a vital protein that is naturally occurring component of hair. It repairs weakened strands and protects hair from environmental damage. And now I want to talk about the Advanced Repair Scalp Treatment. Take your dome to the next level. So the Advanced Repair Scalp Treatment is an advanced tea tree and green tea treatment infused with ceramide. So this bad boy protects the scalp against damage from pollution and other environmental stresses that can actually damage your hair follicles. So consider this to be the big guns when it comes to improving the health and circulation of your scalp and preventing weakened hair. So Lumin claims that this product helps with advanced damage repair, follicle repair, dryness and dehydration, and scalp health. And to be quite honest, the Keratin Strengthening Conditioner is already very good. But when it comes to the Advanced Repair Scalp Treatment, it actually really takes it to the next level. So when it comes to the advanced damage repair, when I actually use this product and put it in my hair, you actually really feel the sensation and the cooling effect. And to be quite honest, I don't particularly think I really need this product. Although I wouldn't mind obviously using it once in a while when I actually want to use it. But for those individuals that actually really want to take care of their hair and want to take it to the next level, this probably hands down is the best product in their list. Because this product pretty much does the same as the strengthening conditioner, but definitely takes it to an advanced level. And every time after using this product, my hair actually felt extremely rejuvenated and had a very cooling sensation. And therefore it actually does really get rid of all of that dehydration and dryness. And if you're someone that really wants to take care of your scalp, this is definitely the best choice out there. So when it comes to the key ingredients of this product, it actually has the tea tree leaf oil, which I already talked about, and the ceramide. And now, the last product I want to talk about is the clarifying body wash. So your face is in check, but what about the rest? So a nice hot shower for you is great, except when it dries out your skin. And therefore, you need to actually keep your body's moisture intact by preventing it to actually get dried out. So they claim that the clarifying body wash is formulated with tea tree oil to effectively clean and promote clearer skin, plus aloe vera and jojoba oil to nourish your hair and prevent dryness. So they claim that the clarifying body wash is formulated with tea tree oil to effectively clean and promote clearer skin, plus aloe vera and jojoba oil to nourish your hair and prevent dryness. So the clarifying body wash helps with dirt buildup, body odor, body breakouts and inflammation. So after using this product for 30 days, I can definitely tell you that it actually helps with the dirt buildup. I'm gonna actually show you the difference later in this video. So when it comes to the body odor, this product actually has a tea tree smell, and therefore which will actually overpower your body odor. And I'm someone that doesn't particularly get extreme levels of acne on my body, but when it comes to my back, I always have some kind of body breakouts. While using this product, I definitely noticed that actually reduced it a bit. But honestly, I'll show you the difference in a bit, so stick with me. And when it comes to the inflammation, I personally really can't comment on it because I generally don't have that on my body. The key ingredients of the clarifying body wash are also the tea tree leaf oil and aloe vera. Aloe vera relieves inflammation and repairs skin damage due to asmanic content. So when it comes to this aloe vera, obviously I didn't really feel any kind of difference when it comes to inflammation, but I actually did see difference when it comes to repairing my skin. And then the last key ingredient for this product is ceramide. It encourages a healthy appearance. Alright, so now I want to look at my hair after using the Lumin shower set for 30 days. And as you can see on the screen right now, this is how my hair currently looks like. So my hair is quite silky and smooth, and that's something I personally like. But now let's look at my hair prior to actually using this product. So this is 30 days ago. And as you can see on the screen right now, my hair is still decent, but it isn't as silky and smooth as it is after using the product. So overall, if you're someone that actually wants to try the Lumin hair products out solely based on getting the benefits, I would actually definitely recommend it. But I'll go more in depth in a bit. So let me talk about how it affected my body. So as you can see on the screen right now, this is how my back looks like. So overall, on the rest of my body, I don't really get any kind of acne scars or acne. But on my back, I actually do always have it. I don't have extreme levels of acne as you can see on the screen, but it is definitely noticeable. And now look at my back after using the product for 30 days. So obviously it didn't actually completely get rid of everything, but it actually did reduce it. So I'm quite happy with the results. So when it comes to the hair products, if you're someone that's actually considering to try out the free trial set out, I would actually definitely recommend you to do so, because you can cancel at any time and you only pay like $5 for shipping and handling anywhere in the world. However, additionally, when we're talking about the advanced repair scalp treatment, I wouldn't particularly recommend it to every single individual, because it's more for those individuals that feel like their hair is thinning a bit more and want to actually take it to the next level. So for me personally, I wouldn't particularly use it once or twice a week, but maybe a few times in a month. But for those individuals that actually really want to take care of their hair and want to make sure that their hair stays on optimum level, I would definitely recommend this alongside with the free trial set. I'll have all products linked down below alongside with a discount code for you to check them out. So I hope you really enjoyed this video and found it useful and informative to help you make a better buying decision. And if you'd like to see more content like this, please consider to hit the subscribe button, because I'm trying to aim for 10k subscribers and that will really help my channel out. Anyways, with that said, I hope to see you on the other side. Bye bye.